Welcome to our YouTube channel Uflyer. We are back with another 10-word, extremely useful vocabulary, their replacements, and alternatives. Before starting with the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. The words which we will be discussing today are very productive and selective. This can help you get your desired band score. So watch the video to the last so that you can increase your vocabulary and enhance your speaking and writing skills. Without any further delay, let's start with the video. Word number 1. Causing. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Erupting. For example, by the look on his face, he was seconds away from erupting. 2. Precipitate. For instance, the rising level of unemployment is going to precipitate a huge crowd at the welfare office. 3. Generate. Example, this business should generate a lot of revenue. 4. Induce. Like, her illness was induced by overwork. Word number 2. Encourage. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Brace. For example, brace yourself for a new challenge. 2. Applaud. For instance, the audience stood and applauded her performance. 3. Promote. Example, the government should do more to promote sustainable agriculture. Word number 3. Enable. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Empower. For example, the new laws empower the police to stop anybody in the street. 2. Facilitate. For instance, the new ramp will facilitate the entry of wheelchairs. 3. Implement. Example, the government failed to implement the plan. 4. Permit. Like, circumstances do not permit me to leave. Word number 4. Appropriate. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Convenient. For example, I find the new system much more convenient. 2. Pertinent. For instance, the expert made some pertinent comments on the scheme. 3. Relevant. Example, send me all the relevant information. Word number 5. Analyze. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Consider. For example, employers must consider all candidates impartially and without bias. 2. Evaluate. For example, you should be able to evaluate your own work. Word number 6. Adequate. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Sufficient. For instance, we can only prosecute if there is sufficient evidence. 2. Suitable. For example, this grammar book is suitable both for classroom use and for independent study. Word number 7. Esteemed. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Prestigious. For example, she won a highly prestigious award. 2. Acclaim. For instance, the conference was acclaimed as a considerable success. Word number 8. Vacate. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Abandon. For example, we had to abandon the car. 2. Evacuate. For instance, helicopters were used to evacuate people from their homes. 3. Annul. Example, they were reconciled but the marriage was annulled within a year. Word number 9. Hassle. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Commotion. For example, he heard a commotion outside. 2. Difficulty. For instance, he finally solved the difficulty of transportation. 3. Inconvenience. Example, we apologize for any inconvenience caused during the repairs. Word number 10. Hamper. Replacement and alternatives. 1. Block. For example, this entrance is in constant use, do not block it. 2. Hinder. Like, Getting frustrated can only hinder you further. 3. Obstruct. For example, the group is trying to obstruct the peace process. 4. Inhibit. For instance, an unhappy family life may inhibit children's learning. 5. Suppress. Example, some drugs can suppress the appetite. Hope this video enhanced your vocabulary a bit. We have a whole range of different vocabulary which will help you enrich your knowledge and get a good and better score in IELTS speaking and writing. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more vocabulary updates.